Alright, chapter 6. Is this the right way? Last episode, dude, we learned that there's this doctor guy basically killing people in the name of unitology. The cult thing that we found out, or was it episode 4? And now, we're looking for the tram. We're going to the tram maintenance. We also had to deal with this regenerative necromorph thing. It was crazy. Yeah, they called him Hunter, the Hunter. Dude. It was a lot. I don't even think we killed him all the way. We just kind of froze him and then moved him away. This is new, right? I don't think I've been through here fully.
Check your helmet filters. That air's not safe to breathe.
Got you.
I smelled it. The whole deck's rotting.
I'm reading a huge mass in food storage. Too big to be anything they grew. It looks like the source of the poison gas. That patient in medical. He said something about creating an enzyme, right? Maybe the scientists left the workstation open.
So we just have to basically finish their work. Do I do this? Oh wait, it's another tram station. Oh, cool. Okay.
Station now accessible. Thank you for your patience.
Awesome. It's coming over. Okay. I'm not supposed to get on. Oh, yeah. Okay. Well, at least we unlocked it, so we can come back here anytime. That scared me, and it scared Isaac too, because I hear his heart beating. I thought that was someone screaming. What? Hello?
This is
Hello?
Dr. Elizabeth
Oh.
Frost. To all survivors, turn back.
God. You just saved,
Liquid
dude.
nitrogen supply depleted.
Synthesizing enzyme.
Beginning enzyme.
Oh no, it feels like I'm gonna have to loop something. Oh, store.
Any luck?
Yeah.
The enzyme. They modified to digest something big.
Mm-hmm.
They must have been trying to kill whatever's in food storage. Let's hope it works.
Okay. What is this? Is this food storage? It is food storage. Let's do this. I'm not scared of you. This might be what the tentacle thing came from. But we still haven't really...
Go back! There's no way into food storage. Even if there was, the Leviathan would devour you.
You're Elizabeth Cross, right? This Leviathan. Is that what's poisoning the air?
The air. My team has destroyed everything. I designed a special enzyme to kill it. I just needed liquid nitrogen to complete the synthesis. The people I sent to medical never came back.
I've got some of that enzyme here.
Oh my god. How? Listen, we need to inject it into the Leviathan. You can't get it to food storage, but there's another way. It's risky.
Riskier than running out of air?
My team has been altered. They're all connected to the Leviathan, breathing out its toxins. That connection goes both ways.
Okay, so if I get to your team and inject them...
The enzyme will be carried right into the Leviathan's heart. Bind the wheezers. End their suffering. And when the Leviathan is weak enough, we vent the bastard into space.
The Leviathan, okay. So where exactly is this way to food storage? Inject the wheezers.
Level 3 security clearance required.
Alright, we're going up, right? We gotta go up. Seems like it. So why is it all dark now? What is wrong with the game? Dude. This area looks huge. Does that mean there's gonna be something in here? I hope not. I really hope not. I don't really want to deal with you guys, so just give me a second. I just need you guys to get closer to each other. Boom! Stomp on it. Or just sock kick it. Reloading, okay. Whoa, 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 whoa. Oh, you're still alive. I hate when they run, dude. Isaac just doesn't... I hate video game characters that can't sprint, bro. I have never been attacked like that. I haven't seen any of those space rats in a while. Nor have I used you. I don't... Wait, hold on. Oh my god. As soon as I say that, a thing pregnant with those damn space rats comes in. Hold on. Give me a second. I did not mean to use that. Wait. Oh wait, I already have to equip them. Stupid. Oh my god.
Security request retrieved.
Hello, security. This is Dr. Cross in hydroponics. Something just hit the hull near food storage. We think it's a rogue asteroid. I have people injured from decompression. We need medics and ground control right away. Oh my god. What the hell is this? It's going out of food storage. It's alive. How can it be alive?
Alright. How many wheezers are there, did it say? How many wheezers? There are 8 wheezers?
Exiting zero gravity. Toxic hazard detected.
Okay, what the? God damn. These little things are so irritating. The ones that... These things are so irritating, these little things that shoot at you, bro. And then you got...
Isaac, where are you? Help me.
just doesn't sound human. It's like it has an uncanny feel.
Toxic hazard.
Let me inject you with this wheezer. Come here. Come here, wheezer. Are you kidding me? He damaged me while up. Bro. How was I even supposed to prepare for this? Alright. What is about this? Oh, that's not even anything. Are you kidding me? Oh. What are we on? The 7th wheezer?
Toxic hazard cleared. Warning. Thermodynamic purifiers malfunctioning. Sound?
Isaac, please, can you help me?
Oh.
Toxic hazard.
How you doing, Weezer? Boom.
Toxic hazard cleared.
There is peace. Thank you. The Leviathan's metabolism is slowing.
Cross, something's up.
It must have worked. You gave it enough enzyme to dissolve a freighter. Okay, I'm unlocking food storage. Quickly get back there and face the bastard while we have the chance.
Alright, time to go to food storage. See, I could use the elevator, but I really want to fly. So that's what I want to do. Even though I suck at it, and every time I do, my camera just... I don't... Jesus Christ. Am I supposed to go up higher? No, I'm not. Okay. Wait, am I? Where am I going? I'm supposed to go down. I'm an idiot. Alright. I have no ammo for anything, pretty much. But I'm gonna get through this. I know I will. Gotta fix my glasses. It's time.
Cycling airlock.
It's time.
The airlock's open, but the Leviathan's too strong. It's clinging to the interior of food storage. We need more enzyme.
There's no time. I'm going in. Maybe I can cut it loose.
The Leviathan has a 10-kiloton mass. Do you really need me to tell you this is a bad idea?
Well, I'm all out of good ideas, so guess what's left?
Alright. Standing on business, Isaac. I got you. Why is everything so black? Alright, whatever. I see why everything was so black. What do I throw this at? Do I throw this at your arm things? Yeah. Okay. That didn't do much. Right, okay. Dude. Oh, wait. Oh, when you guys launch forward. Two? I ran out of ammo for that. Okay. Wait, hold on, wait, hold on. I actually have to get close to this one, or whichever one's coming up. What? That didn't even... Brother, move out the way. I can't even get that close to use the shotgun. Oh my lord. No, that's not what I need. I need... I don't have anything. I don't have anything, bro, and the game didn't give me anything out of those boxes. It literally just gave me credits, dude. What am I supposed to do with that? Should I just let it kill me? Because, like, I'm not going to be able to reach with the flamethrower. You know, I'm glad we died. I'm glad we died. This is... I'm going back. I'm going back, and I'm buying things. That was ridiculous, dude. Oh, my God. Okay, is this it? Yep. Give me all I can get. And then I believe I have things to sell. No? No? Not at all. Okay. How much was that? 295? I'm not losing to this thing.
Final round. Fight!
Toxic hazard detected.
Okay. Oh my God. It died?
Hazard clear.
Oh my God, dude. That was so frustrating.
And lo, you crushed the heads of Leviathan. He will be meat for those in the wilderness. Thank you, Isaac. Come back inside. We should talk.
So, oh my God. Is that it? Is that chapter 6? Not yet. Okay.
The air quality's improving. There's still pockets of gas trapped here and there.
Here and there, I can handle.
Listen, Jacob... My Jacob. Last I heard, he was on the mining deck with some other survivors.
Okay.
He said they were building an SOS beacon.
Did we
Okay.
finish it?
He said it was nearly done,
Okay.
but I haven't heard from him in... a while. I can't leave yet. I need to make sure the air is safe to breathe. But if you can find that SOS beacon, call for rescue.
I will. Mining deck. Okay, got it. And if I meet Jacob?
Tell him I'll find him. He's all I want to see.
You're gonna die, aren't you? I have a feeling you're not gonna make it out.
Someone jettisoned all the others. Isaac, there's a shortcut to the mining deck. You're across the
Uh-huh.
station. I'll get it open.
Mhm.
Goddamn. We might actually get out of this nightmare.
I hope so. Oh my God. Okay. Chapter 6 was a little bit... I don't know. I didn't really like that one. The beginning of it was just kind of boring having to inject those guys. It was so many of them. And then the boss fight was cool. I was just getting mad, so I'm not gonna diss on the boss fight because I suck at the game. But anyways, that was chapter 6. So far, so good. I need to do other things. My brain is just not working. If you like this, yeah, like the video.